In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Amazon account from all devices. We'll do this using Amazon's device management tools, which let you see every phone, tablet, Kindle, TV, or app connected to your account and remove them in a couple of clicks. I recommend doing this on a computer or in a desktop browser for the clearest layout. Start on the Amazon homepage. Look to the top left corner for the All menu, sometimes shown as 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the full menu, then scroll down until you find your account and select it. On the account page, locate Digital Services and Device Support and click it. Next, choose Manage Content and Devices. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your internet speed, this page can take a few seconds to display everything. At the top of the Manage Content and Devices page, switch to the Devices tab. This is where Amazon groups the hardware and apps linked to your account. You'll see categories for different device types and an option labeled Amazon that brings these groups into one place. Click Amazon to view the full list. Here you'll find items like Kindle e-readers, Fire tablets, Echo and Alexa devices, Fire TV, and even Amazon apps on phones or computers that are signed in. To sign out a device, select it from the list to open its details, then click Deregister. Confirm when asked. Deregistering disconnects that device from your account, which effectively logs it out and removes access to your purchases, subscriptions, and voice features tied to your profile. If you ever need the device again, you can simply sign back in on that device later. Repeat this process for each device you want to remove. Take a moment to review the list carefully, prioritizing devices you no longer use or don't need signed in. If you see a device you don't recognize, deregistering it immediately is a quick way to secure your account access. Keep in mind that some content downloaded to a device may no longer be available after deregistration until you sign in again. Once you've worked through your list, you're done. That's the simplest way to log out of your Amazon account from all devices using the built-in device management page. If the layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Amazon occasionally updates the interface, but the steps remain the same. Open your account, go to Digital Services and Device Support, Manage Content and Devices, Devices tab, and then Deregister. If you